Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fernando Hassan from Class A. History and Culture of Switzerland. History early civilization in Switzerland dates back to the Bronze Age, but the first true colonization occurred from the Celtic tribes who came to the area around 500 BC. This group were known as the Helvetians, which is where Helvetia originated from. The name seen today on Swiss coins and stamps, the Helvetians were conquered by the Romans in 58 BC, who settled the cities of Basel, Zurich, Geneva, and Lausanne. Until about 400 AD, the Romans were subsequently driven out by the Germanic tribes. In the Middle Ages, as with the rest of Europe, Switzerland was marked in feudal rule. The grand monasteries such as the convent of Estigalen were established and built during this time. This is also when the cities of Bern and Lucerne, both of which remain important symbols of medieval architecture, were founded. Still to this day, the entire old town of Bern is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The culture in the cities of Switzerland was built around skilled artisans and craftsmen, such as watchmakers, which the country is famous for. This era also established the Swiss Confederacy, what today canton system is based upon. When Reformation swept Europe, Switzerland was divided between the Reformed and Catholic. This era was followed by the occupation by Napoleon, whose downfall led to the Congress of Vienna in 1815, which established Switzerland independent. This was followed by the creation of their constitution and the establishment of democracy in 1891. Switzerland was able to remain neutral and was never quick during Either World War, which is the reason they are one of the few European cities that has managed to keep much of their medieval structure. This makes the country a great place to explore. An excellent example is the old town of Bern and the Benedictine convent at Münster. Modern-day Switzerland is surrounded by EU nations, but the country has not entered the EU, mostly due to the fact that Switzerland has maintained its independence through history and is reluctant to become a part of any supranational body. Switzerland still uses its own currency, the Swiss francs, but in 205 they did join to the Schengen Treaty, allowing for easy travel within the continent. The move seems to suggest that Switzerland is becoming more accepting of the EU and its structure. Culture of Switzerland. Switzerland have a traditional music and dance. Swiss folk music is an integral part of cultural identity, with style differing across regions. The apron, a long wooden horn, is particularly symbolic of Swiss. Yodeling dance and traditional folk dance like the Schuppletter also hold cultural significance, especially in rural areas. And Switzerland have four official languages. For the first, German is spoken by the majority family in the central and eastern part. 2. French is spoken in the western part, particularly in cities like Geneva. And 3. Italian is spoken in the south region particularly in the canton of Ticino. For Romance, though spoken by a small minority, represents the country's commitment to the preserving regional language. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.